Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for that full top down analysis. So on the pound dollar monthly, I still believe that this is an uptrend. I still think it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 forming. I still believe that eventually it's going to go up and take out these highs, most likely end up at one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels. And based on correlated pairs, and if you zoom out on the monthly, I think once this trend is over, it probably will make a bigger move to the downside. But heading down to the 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, I still think this first move up is a wave one. I think we have a running flat wave two. I think this right here is a one of three. I believe this is already completed, possibly a wave two of three. I think there's a pretty good likelihood that this is going to continue over the coming weeks and months to make an uptrend for a wave three, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can see this nice uptrend that formed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm definitely still calling this a 1. This is basically what I would call an A, B, C, D, E correction, basically just a 5 wave correction. Went right to the 38%, made a nice impulsive up, corrective down, higher low, higher low. I think there's a pretty good chance over the coming weeks and months, like I said, that this will continue to trend up, most likely in a wave three. And I think this is already a wave three on the weekly and monthly. So this is a one of three, a two of three, and a wave three of wave three. So let's take it right down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for longs. It kind of looks to me like we may already have a long. It looks like impulsive down, one, two, three waves up, impulsive down. It definitely respected the Fibonacci 50% level. Nice impulsive move up. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it did make a little bit of a pullback, but I think even if it does make a pullback, it will make a higher low, and just keep on trending up. So for me, I am definitely still looking for longs on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I think there's a good chance this is the end of a wave C. Like I said, I mean, there's always a possibility that it goes down, but even if it does go down, I think it will make a higher low, and just keep on going up. So whether it just keeps on trending up now or whether it does make another impulsive move down, it doesn't really matter to me. Even if it does make another move down, that's actually good for us because that should give us another opportunity to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. If it just keeps on trending up from here, then you probably would have to go down to a much shorter time frame and look for pullbacks on the way shorter time frames to get long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.